Well, hello there guys. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a get my house back in order with me. You're literally just gonna be like fly on the wall. We are gonna go through this house and get it cleaned up. Are you excited? Oh, I think you already are at our house, Ari. You're funny. As you guys know, we live a minimalist lifestyle, but we are not perfect. And I've talked about that before, that, you know, we are not bare essential minimalists. We're not extreme minimalists. We talk about living intentionally and rooting in our life what distracts us from doing so. And with that, things change, and as time goes on, you realize what we have found is that we become more and more extreme with our minimalism as time goes on. Like, we just realize over time that, like, we really didn't need this. So it's gonna be fun. We're just gonna get to it. Basically though, the house has really gotten out of order because we've been working on so many projects lately outside of the house or in the garage that we've been really neglecting the inside. And then we've been out at like families' houses. And I had about 2 weeks where I was pretty much bedridden because my degenerative disc disease was acting up. When that happens, Ryan has to pretty much take over everything, and between him just trying to take care of the kids and stuff, the house gets left to the wayside, obviously. I am going to show you guys what we're really working with here. We got stuff, you know, this is what's going on. We have a bed that's not made. We have laundry that needs to be done, put away, cloth diapers that need to be put away. We have some stuff just laying out here. Ren's room is done pretty much fine. If you guys missed her nursery reveal, I'll link that up above. The girls just got out of quiet time, so they have a little bit of cleaning up to do in here. Ari already started to clean up all her books that she had out. Rev had quiet time in the playroom, and it looks like she did fairly good. She puts things away a little haphazardly, but they are put away. And downstairs, I gotta put away our reusable paper towels. So those go in here. I went ahead and opened all the blinds so you guys can see. This is really our main disaster zone. It's like our living area. Just like this. This is where we like have random things that definitely belong somewhere and need to go where they belong. And then just like random little toys. High five.
We're gonna clean up all around the house.
We are. We're gonna get it all done. And Daddy's gonna come home and be like, wow, it's so clean. And you'll get to tell them you helped. Okay, we're gonna start by getting the puppies out of the way. So the girls are gonna feed the doggies. Ari, who do you feed? You don't feed Grayson. Who do you feed? Callie and who?
Daisy.
Daisy. Okay, go fill their bowls. So she feeds the two little ones and Revy feeds the big guy. So how many scoops does Grayson get, Rev?
4. And I did 2 already, so this needs you 2.
Good job. So Grayson is our Great Dane, so he has that whole front space. Space. He is excited. You gonna lock him in? Enjoy, buddy boy.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I smooth like the ocean. I can see you want.
I took a break to breastfeed and all of a sudden I hear the cleanup song playing. So they played the cleanup song.
Alexa,
Ari, what-
play the cleanup song.
is like a million times better. So I think we're getting somewhere. We have some dishes I have to get done. And I got all this cleaned up. Since we got the bench in, we made a bench for the girls. And so their chairs are gonna be going to Grandma and Grandpa's house. So I took those out into the garage so they can go to Grandma and Grandpa's. Hi, Grayson. The living room is looking much nicer. We took the Play Silk Fork kit upstairs. We're looking quite a lot nicer. There's a few things over there. I need to change that cover on the dock top so I can wash the current one. And I didn't have a chance to make the bed, but we moved that out of the playroom, brought it in here so we have something on that wall. So our house is back to having a little bit of order and I'm excited about it. I know Ryan will be excited when he gets home too. So we're gonna leave this vlog at that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you are new. And I will see all of your wonderful faces in my next video. Bye.